Hi guys, welcome back.
Welcome back in our channel, guys.
So again, my name is Raymond.
My name's Alina.
So welcome back to our channel. So again, it's Alina and Raymond. So today, guys, what we're going to do is that we're going to do a challenge. So for this one, we're going. We already made this before. So
Yeah.
this is going to be rock, paper, and scissors. But right now, we're going to do this with a little bit of twist. So before we start, so kung bago ka pa lang sa channel namin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, ito na guys, ang gagawin namin today is rock, paper, and scissors. So, kung sino yung mananalo, or kung sino yung matatalo, he will eat or bite a piece of lemon.
Yeah.
So this is going to be our challenge for today. So whoever lose, he or she will take a bite of a lemon. Okay? So
So
are
let's
you
get.
ready?
Yes, we're ready. So let's get started, guys. Let's play rock paper scissors this time, okay?
So we're going to do this. Whoever won the first three, siya yung winner. Okay?
Yeah.
So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so, game na guys. So, umpisa na namin yung game. So, stick around, okay? One, two,
You get a lemon.
by the way, I didn't start, so, I'll take a bite.
Take a bite of lemon because ever lose or win, you have to bite the lemon, okay?
Here it is, guys.
Go, go, bite it. Is it sour? Is it sour? See guys, see my papa's face. How did it taste? Sour, right?
Ang asin.
Okay, we'll do it again.
Okay.
One,
One.
two, three.
So, I do this again. So guys, for the second time, talo na naman ako. So, I'm going to eat. I'm going to bite or eat this
Another lemon.
piece of lemon again.
Yeah. Go, go, go. You can see how Papa's face look like, guys.
Cheers.
Okay. How did it taste? Sour, right? Sour. Again. Let's do it again, pa. Okay. Let's do it again. We're gonna play another rock, paper, scissors.
One more, guys.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Now I won. tell them, how does it taste?
It's sour. I already eat the lemon before. Teacher May told us to bring some lemon.
Okay. So, one more guys. Well, as you can see guys, I'm already sweating. Pinagpapawisan na ako kasi ang asim ng lemon. One more?
Yeah, so before we start guys, who loves to eat calamansi and lemon? You have to click the bell button if you want it. Just comment below.
Yun nga guys, you may also comment down below. So, if ever that you have any suggestions that you want us to do as a challenge, so you can also write your comments or suggestions on the comment section. So, can you
Okay, let's do it again.
One,
1, 2, 3.
Anyway guys, let's not talk. So, as usual, natalo ulit ako. So, I'll take another piece of lemon. But this is going to be the last. So, here it is.
Let's see how Bug's face like, guys. Your mouth is like that. Your nose. Okay, guys, I guess Papa win because no, guys, if you like this, let me teach you. Do you know why Papa win? Because I only eat one lemon. Then, di ba the first time is Papa, then Papa lose. Then the other time Papa lose. Then the other time I lose. Then Papa got a 3 points lose. So that means Papa win. So because I'm only one.
Okay, so yun nga. I won because I did eat a lot of lemon. So anyway, that's it for today's guide. That's it for today's guide. So maraming salamat ulit for tuning in and watching this video. So see you all again to our next vlog.
Okay.
Okay, so
Guys.
thank you so much again for watching and take care.
Okay,
Bye
guys.
now.
Bye.